Hello everyone, today I will show you how to delete a poll in Facebook Messenger. And here's how it is done. Unfortunately, you cannot delete or unsend a poll once it has been posted in a Facebook Messenger group chat. Here's a quick summary of what you can and you can't do. What you can't do. Long pressing the poll. No delete option. Swiping left or right. No delete or unsend feature. Even leaving or deleting the group on your end, the poll still shows up for others. What you could try, but limited. Ask a group admin to remove the group entirely. This only clears it for the person who deletes it. Hide the conversation on your end, but the poll remains visible to others. Bottom line, Facebook Messenger does not currently support deleting polls once they are posted, so double check your question and options before hitting create poll. And that is everything you need to know about how to delete a poll in Facebook Messenger. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.